Baby mate, how does it feel to be like sitting somewhere close, someone famous? You know? Na kinsa man na baby mate. Nakatilo inay. At lain ka ni sa mukha ninyo, go away. I see someone famous behind you. Ninin. Oh, klaro ka. Uy, good girl kay mag-check na siya sa yung list later on.
Ikaw, Mangga. Hardware na po siya.
La. Grabe. I think he's a hungry mate.